हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड आई एम द अकूस्टिक नर्ड। और आज का वीडियो में क्या दिखाने वाला हूं आपको, आपने थंबनेल देखा होगा। सो जस्ट लाइक द थंबनेल आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ टू क्रिएट अ पिक्चर। सो यू कैन सी देयर इज नो होल इन माय हैंड बट इट्स नॉट अ क्लिक बेट। ठीक है, क्लिक बेट नहीं है। आई शो यू एग्जैक्टली हाउ टू क्रिएट दैट पिक्चर। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड। पूरा वीडियो देखना, स्किप नहीं करना है, ठीक है। सो आई शो यू हाउ टू एडिट द पिक्चर प्रॉपर्ली स्टेप बाय स्टेप। बहुत ही सिंपल है, बहुत ही आसान टेक्निक है। Just follow the steps and I'll see you then.
So first you go outside, anywhere in your surroundings, in your garden. If you see any grass area or a bush, you can put your hand like this, your palm, and take a photo with the grass. So that's the first thing. You click a picture. After clicking a picture, then you open this picture in the gallery and send it to PicsArt. So this is where the editing is done. All the editing is done in PicsArt itself. सो यू डोंट नीड एनी अदर ऐप, बस पिक्सआर्ट चाहिए। तो ठीक है, तो अभी पिक्सआर्ट में ओपन करके सर्च फॉर स्टिकर्स। सो स्टिकर्स में क्रैक, आई ऑलरेडी सर्च इट, CRACK। सो यू सर्च फॉर क्रैक एंड वंस यू फाउंड क्रैक, यू पुट दिस sticker in the center of the palm. So you place it properly in the center. So you make sure that it's fitting in the center of the palm. And then you come to blend. So since the edges are a little bit white, we want to make the edges little more darker. So you check the option which is properly making it dark. So and put it to multiply. So when it comes to blend, make it multiply and the edges will become a bit darker. And then you go to adjust option. Okay, and you reduce the contrast, reduce the saturation, the highlights, all those things should be reduced as well. So once you've reduced all that, okay, you try to, that's done. Okay, we've adjusted everything. So now we have to add the same picture which we've clicked on the phone, that first one, add it to PicsArt again. So once you have added it, it should come over like this. So you just need the grass part. Okay, so just the grass thing should be on the hand, so adjust it properly. So you can decrease the opacity to see where it's fitting. So once you decrease the opacity, you can see where this hand comes. So now you can click on the eraser tool, and you can erase the extra parts which are not needed. We just need to put the grass in the center of the palm, in that crack, in that hole. So erase everything like I'm doing it on the screen. Erase it slowly so that it looks good. It may take a time, but after you finish it, it looks really epic. The picture looks really amazing. So do it slowly and do it step by step. And in case if it goes a bit extra, you can click on the restore tool and you can fill it back inside. So don't worry about that, but do it slowly and carefully. It may take some time. So the same thing should be done. Erase it carefully and slowly. And finally, after erasing it, it looks like this. Okay, so this is the main. After erasing everything from the sides, this is what we are left with. So you can increase the opacity back, make it back to normal, and if there's any extra things, you can just erase it off. And finally it looks like this. Okay, so you can see if any extra parts are there, you can just erase it, and then the picture looks like this. Okay, so now the picture is like this. Okay, so we can do okay, and we're going to add one more sticker. So go to sticker and search for crack option again. Okay, so we're going to make it look more realistic. So I'm going to search for this small tiny crack lines. So select that sticker and put it over the hand, over the palm. So once you've done it, just erase the part from the center because we don't want it to be there, and just on the palm the crack should be there. So it should be something like this. So erase the extra parts which are going outside. So you can save it. Okay, so finally we got it. So we can do some final adjustments with the brightness, just the contrast. Slightly increase the brightness increase the clarity a bit, saturation as you wish, and then finally you can save the picture in the end after you've done the adjustments. And after editing the picture looks like this. Amazing, right? Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching the video till the end. It means a lot, guys. Thanks for all your support and love. So if you like this video, please drop a like, and if you like my content, please guys don't forget to subscribe. A lot of you are just watching the video और सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते यार, तो सब्सक्राइब करके जाओ प्लीज़, ठीक है? तो I'll be coming out with more content like this, more photography, more guitar related content. So subscribe guys, so you'll get my notification of the content. So thank you for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.